sector, a compilation of their audit findings per sector on the subsidies and/or fund transfer received and utilized by PRC covering from a period of January 2016 to September 2021, and to submit a duly signed summary schedule of subsidies and/or funds received by PRC on the same period. I am likewise reassured that instruction is given is prompt action and compliance. This is really a very welcome development, and I commend our Solicitor General for his quick as well as his COA Chairman Aguinaldo for paving the way for the long overdue audit of the Philippine Red Cross. Ang inatasan ko kasi dito na to ask Chairman Aguinaldo to conduct the audit, si Solgen Calida, Solicitor Calida wrote Aguinaldo, at ang sagot naman ni Aguinaldo was a prompt one by initiating immediately an auditing program. However, may I remind COA of their constitutional duty to collect the 140 million pesos notice of disallowance issued against SBMA during Gordon's time, and was stated in the demand letter of SBMA Chairperson and Administrator Wilma Isma, dated August this year, which was sent via registered mail. This has been fully sustained by the Supreme Court as final and executory. Alam mo itong 146, pera ito na nagamit ng SBMA during their time. Ito, 146 million, ang 86 million dyan was attributed to Gordon alone. Siya yung humawak ng 86, napunta sa kamay niya. So gusto ko kunin pati yung part of the